Hey Steve, Hoover just now doing from the main wash, just tried the main wash anyway, yep. So yeah, it's doing for main wash anyway, yep. It's got 40 minutes left, it's just got about 40 minutes left anyway, yep. And we're going for the first intermediate spin, we're going for the first intermediate spin anyway, yep. So yeah, about to go for the first intermediate spin, going for the first intermediate spin anyway, yep. Well, that's the first time, now going on a second temp. Well, that's second temp, now going on third temp. That's third temp, now going on fourth temp. That's fourth temp, now going on fifth temp. That's fifth temp, now going on sixth temp. I don't know how many temps it is though, I think it's sixth or seventh temp anyway. That's seventh temp, now going on eighth temp. I just don't know the way the Hoover just does a balancing system. I hate when the Hoover does that though. I think the Hoover, just when it does the balancing system, is the worst thing ever. It is the worst balancing system ever on the Hoover. It is. That's 400 RPM, that's 400 RPM, that is 400 RPM. That's all it does with it, that's all the Hoover does, it only does one burst it does, this machine only does one burst anyway. That's all this machine could do there, it only does one burst anyway. Now we're going now on to first rinse, now on to first rinse anyway. Now on to first rinse anyway. It looks like we're about to get high water level, looks like it's starting to get high water level, looks like. Maybe that's just medium water level, that's just medium water level that's doing. I think because on a Hoover it only does medium water level, no, because it only does like medium water level, no, but it's medium water level it does anyway on Hoover. Yeah, currently the water level is just about there anyway, the water level is just about there anyway, the water level is just there anyway on Hoover. But I will stop recording when it's draining anyway, when the Hoover's draining anyway, when he's ready.